Hi, this is Susan, one of the physical therapists here at Kids in Motion. Our Kids in Motion family is working together to raise money for a school in Ecuador that I've been so fortunate to work with on mission teams. It's an amazing school in a very poor community, and they need help to fund teacher salaries. We are also trying to help the school add an elevator so that they can accept students with mobility needs. We would love for you to join us by sponsoring our team. Or you may be able to connect us with a company who would like to help our cause. We are running, walking, and biking to collect kilometers for Quito. You can make a donation online or give cash or a check to Tammy. Our goal is to complete 1,000 kilometers and to raise $10,000. Also, on October 22nd from 9 to 11 in the morning, we are meeting at the track at Alexander High School. Everyone is welcome. We will have adaptive bikes and we will ride, run, walk, and roll together. I hope to see you there.